Honeycutt Construction Services has been in business for roughly 8 or 9 years now.
Honeycutt does civil contracting from laying pipe to fine grading. My role at Honeycutt is from the beginning to the end of a job. Seeing that the job gets done, I'm more of a working foreman.
Currently on this job, we are doing grading for the entrance of one of the roads out here. I would say overall, the technology is getting very advanced and it's very helpful as far as getting stuff down to a very tight tolerance and getting everything precise, along with getting things done faster and more efficiently for the company.
Yes, I have used steering assist, and it's wonderful. When they first installed it, I tried it, really loved it. It works very well. It's like I don't have to do anything. It's amazing.
I'd say for a day-to-day basis, if we're cutting like a big flat area and there's got to be a lot of cuts such as 6, 8 inches up to even a foot or more, you have to really use that load monitor to kind of watch to see how much you're pushing, if you're getting the right amount, if you need to cut some more, just to see how much the dozer can carry all at once in a long stretch. For steer assist, we use that mainly as far as like cutting the right distance or cutting and following roads. So when we're doing the curves, we really need to know if we need to set an offset off of that curb or how wide our roads are. We really can just turn it on and then follow that line, and it just kind of takes right on off for you.
The new technology steer assist comes in real handy when cutting in roads for curb or edge of pavement. With GPS these days, we're less reliant on surveying, so we have less markers on the ground to guide our work by. With the steer assist, it really allows me to concentrate on other things and maintains whatever my set widths are. The ease of using steer assist is as easy as selecting a line on the project, setting your offset width, and clicking the auto button. Steer assist has increased my productivity.
It saves a lot of time, saves a lot of work. While I'm doing that, my team doesn't have to check behind me. The machine does it all, so that gives me an opportunity to have my guys to do something else. The difference between the new operators and the old operators, some of the old operators don't like to change. And I was one of them. I was kind of stuck in my way, but once I tried it, I liked it.
Auto carry, it increases productivity. It's something I do use on the daily for most jobs.
The technology in the CAT equipment compared to competitors is a lot easier to understand, and the service and everything else to go with it is a lot better throughout that. Y'all make it very easy with us to be able to get new guys in the equipment, get them to understand, and the setup process for everything is going very well for us.
The competitive GPS was a lot harder. The screens was a lot smaller, and it takes a lot more to get what you need to get done, get it set, but compared to the one that we have now. The one we have now is a lot easier, quicker, saves time, and I love it. Over and all, the process is smooth and pretty quick. Nobody really has a problem with it.
For blade load monitor, it's something I use on the daily, especially on these bigger job sites. I would definitely say it increases your productivity. I would say it's very easy to set up, but if you have somebody, like recently we had CAT come out and showed us what we needed to do to get everything set up, and once you learn that, it's pretty simple.
The technology in the CAT dozers has very much increased productivity with everybody. It helps them dig ponds faster, helps them cut roads faster, and be able to cut pads and everything and get us through a job a lot quicker than normal. Technology with the small CAT dozers has helped cost savings.
Like, wonder where this been all my life, you know?